Hello friends, welcome to my channel Be Explained. From this video you can learn vertical drop down menu. So this is very easy and simple and easy to design it. So let's start. Firstly, open the folder and edit HTML and style in the Notepad++ and also open the index.html in the Chrome and close the previous, and now type all the global structure of HTML by typing HTML and close HTML, and now open the head tag and also don't forget to close. So in the head tag we give the title of the page, so give the title sidebar drop down menu. So after this, link our CSS file to HTML. So rel is the relationship between our CSS and HTML. So this is the style sheet relationship is, and also give the type, and the type is text/CSS. So also give the href means path, so path is style.css. My CSS and HTML file in one folder. So body, open the body and close also, don't forget to close again. And now I am opening the nav. This is the HTML5 selector and give the class to of vertical. Give the class to nav vertical and also close it. And now open the unordered list. Inside the unordered list, we open the all list items, and inside list item open the anchor tags. Href means path, so now we don't sending any link now. So I give the hash and type the category any did you want. So on the second number I give the category of products, and on third number contact. So let's now check if the HTML is working or not. So good, it's working. Now shift down the list item of products for building the sidebar drop down menu, and now inside this open another unordered list and repeat all the process again. By Ctrl+D you can copy the lines. So change the category. So I change the widgets, sites and gadgets. So our HTML is completed. Firstly check, don't forget to check, and now open the style.css. So now we start the styling. So firstly select the star is a universal selector, so I give them padding and margin to 0. Now defaultly all the elements have tags have gone to 0 of margin and padding. Now I am selecting the body, so I give the body to font, so I give the 16 pixels and sans serif of font face. And now I am selecting the HTML5 selector nav. Inside I am selecting the class of vertical, and I will give the position of relative. Also give the width of 200 pixels, I think good, and firstly check. So okay, our CSS is also working, and also give the margin from left side to I think 2 pixels is good, and margin from top is also I think 2 pixel good. And now again select unordered list inside the nav, and we give the list style none because we don't want the bullets of unordered list. So now select the list all the list items inside our vertical class or nav. So give the position relative. Now select all the anchor tags inside our nav or vertical class. So give the display of block. So now it's showing after giving this property all our anchor tags shows in a block. So also change the color of our anchor tags hash EEE. So this is light gray, and also give the text decoration none because we don't want the underline. And I think we give some property more to anchor tag, and also give the padding 10 pixels from top and bottom, and from left to right to 15 pixels. And also give the some background #667. So this is the dark gray color, and also apply some transition. So transition is basically animation. So after this, now we select the list item. So when we hover on list items, our anchor tags do what we property now give to, and now we give what property. So when we hover on anchor tag, so our background color changes. So you can see our background color changes when we hover on list items. So this applies on anchor tag. And after this, now we select the nav vertical. So this is class, and now we selecting the sidebar drop down menu. Inside unordered list, another unordered list. So give the position relative and left to 0%. So now we give percent and top to 0 pixels, and width also give, I think 100% is good. And also visibility, we don't want to visible. So when we hover, then our unordered list visible. So now give the visibility to hidden, and opacity also give to 0. And apply also some transition. So now we transform to right side. Now we transform the 0.2 second, and now we transform our unordered list to right side. Translate x axis 50 pixels. So firstly check. So our some properties are left. So we will give, and after this check works or no. So firstly give the properties, some more properties, and now we select the list item. So when we hover on list items and unordered list do, now what we give the property. So left is 100%, and visibility now visible. So when we hover on list items, our unordered list is visible. So also change the opacity to 1 and translate to x-axis 0 pixel. So also apply some transition. Firstly I will check, yeah, that's working, but some problem. And firstly give the transition. So check back what is the problem. I think we should change the position to absolute after. So refresh page, and so yeah, that's now working. So good. So that's now working and looks very beautiful. Thanks for watching.